Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can redefine the plane if we have created a sketch on a wrong face. So for this tutorial I am using a FreeCAD version 1.1, so you must have at least 1.1 or higher than this. If you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on ko-fi.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. You can find my ko-fi donation link in video descriptions as well as in pin comments. So keep supporting my work if I am adding value to your knowledge. So let's come back to our tutorial. So if you see this drawing, so there is a revolve feature, and this feature at a mid plane you can also see in a isometric view. But here I have did one mistake. I have created the perfect sketch which is a fully constrained of this revolve feature, but here I have created on a wrong face. I have created on this. So this is a mistake. So rather than deleting this sketch and again creating on a mid plane, we can easily redefine our sketch. So let's understand how we can redefine the sketch and save our time. So here select the sketch and go on attachment editor. So here you will see the plane which is a mirror face 1. So delete it, keep the option selecting on and select the exit plane which is a mid plane. So you can see that plane is got redefined. You can see the origin is a exit plane. Say okay, and now we can off it. So you can see that perfectly it got replaced on a mid plane, and click on the revolve, select the reference and select this line, say okay, and now switch to the flat lines view. So now it is at a center. So we have successfully redefined our sketch without deleting it, and we have saved our time. So this is all about this tutorial, how to redefine feature in a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.